For this video, I'm going to show you how to create Aspidistra leaf or tea leaf loops. Okay, first you're going to take your leaf, and these leaves come in green, burgundy, and also variegated. You're going to take a sharp pair of scissors and just cut it straight down the center of the leaf, and I would keep going until you're about 4 inches from the bottom. Next, you're going to take one half of the leaf and fold it towards yourself until you've created a loop. And then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. With both sides folded into loops, your leaf should now look something like this. Next, take both sides of the loops and fold them together like this. Hold it in the center and staple it in the middle. I like to staple it at least 3 times. Next, you can make a slit at the bottom and just peel away the extra leaf. Okay, so here are your finished leaves. You can add these to your bouquets and your arrangements. I think they add a lot of visual interest, texture, volume, and you can just have fun with it and get creative. If you'd like to learn how to make a bouquet using these leaves, I've linked a video in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more DIY flower videos, please subscribe and have a great day.